Took it back. Now we're gonna go march. We're gonna go unite. We're gonna go vote. We're gonna go fight. Ain't gonna let no rich man walk all over. Woo! Well, I went down to the congressman's house and I took back what he stole from me. Took it back, took it back.
Nice. Excellent.
Hey. Because when healthcare is under attack, we the workers take it back. When the future is under attack, we the workers take it back. When the American dream is under attack, we the workers take it back. When healthcare is under attack, we the workers take it back. When the American dream is under attack, we the workers take it back. When our future is under attack, we the workers take it back. When children are under attack, we the workers take it back. When healthcare is under attack, we the workers take it back. When the American dream is under attack, we the workers take it back. When our future is under attack, we the workers take it back. Woo! more cuts. No more lies. Healthcare workers organize. No more cuts. No more lies. Healthcare workers organize. No more cuts. No more lies. Healthcare workers organize. No more lies. Healthcare workers organize. No more lies. I am.
Walking now. Why are we out here? Okay. Do you want to talk to the camera? Sure, that's all good. Why are you out here today?
We're out here to protect our citizens' rights and healthcare worker benefits. So we appreciate this opportunity to be together and collaborate with the Senate, the House, and move forward with protected services for everyone. Thank you.
Oh, no, I'm good at it. Amanda got it. Or Gail got it.
Gail got it. I already talked to Gail.
Oh, I don't know what else to say.
I don't know what to say. I want better health care for my patients. Protect my rights. Protect your rights.
I just went out of it. Okay. We're here trying to get better health care, better affordability for our workers. We're putting in the time taking care for everyone's families.
Zelma, why are you here today?
Took back my dignity. Took back my humanity. I went down to the boss's house and I took back what he stole from me. Took back my dignity. Took back my humanity.
Now we're gonna go twice. We're gonna go unite. We're
gonna go vote. We're gonna go fight. No rich man walk all over me.
Woo! Went down to the congressman's house and I
Took back what he stole from me. Took it back. Took back my dignity. Took it back. Took back my humanity.
I went down to the executive's house and I
Took back what he stole from me. Took it back. Took back my dignity. Took it back. Took back my humanity. We're gonna go march. We're gonna go unite. We're gonna go vote. We're gonna go fight. Ain't no rich man walk all over me.
You want to tell me why you're here today in the street?
Yeah, we're here because we need to combat the attack on the unions, the billionaires coming after our unions, taking away the money from our people, also from our employees, from the personnel who need the health care. That's it.
folks, this is a sinful, evil world today. Real hope. Walk down to the boss's house. Jesus is the only hope for a time.
Gonna go unite. Gonna go tonight. Gonna go ball. Gonna go fight.
Took back my humanity. I went down to the boss's house. I took back my soul.
Walkways open on each side. So please come up to the front here to get behind our speakers. Thank you. Let's get the banner up front. We have some amazing healthcare workers to speak in just a moment. Let's fill in here as well, friends. Okay. I know. When do I? You look amazing. Can we actually bring the sides in a little bit? We got to leave space for people to walk past us on each side. So if you want to squeeze in, you can sort of fill in the front here as well. If you need some room on each side. Thank you. We have press coming. We'll get started in just a minute. I'm loving all the chanting. Let's do one more round of chants, shall we? When healthcare is under attack,
We the workers take it back.
and the American dream is under attack,
We the workers take it back.
when our future is under attack,
We the workers take it back.
when healthcare is under attack,
We the workers take it back.
and the American dream is under attack,
We the workers take it back.
when our future is under attack,
We the workers take it back.
no more cuts,
No more lies.
healthcare workers,
Organize.
no more cuts,
No more lies. Healthcare workers organize.
no more cuts, no more lies.
Healthcare workers organize.
They steal our care, they steal our time,
Healthcare workers draw the line.
they steal our care, they steal our time,
Healthcare workers draw the line.
they steal our care, they steal our time.
Healthcare workers draw the line.
Hey, hey,
Ho ho! Billionaires have got to go. Hey hey! Ho ho! Billionaires have got to go. Hey hey! Ho ho! Billionaires have got to go. Hey hey! Ho ho! Billionaires have got to go. Hey hey! Ho ho! Billionaires have got to go. Hey hey! Ho ho! Billionaires have got to go. Hey hey!
woo, 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 make some noise. Oh, all right. I can see the Commonwealth Foundation from here. How about you? My Robin Hoods, shall we regale them with a song? Will I wait
Down to the billionaire's house and I took back what he stole from me. Took it back. Took back my dignity. Took it back. Took back my humanity. Well, I went down to the boss's house and I took back what he stole from me. Took it back. Took back my dignity. Took it back. Took back my humanity.
Now we're gonna go march,
We're gonna go unite. We're gonna go vote. We're gonna go fight. We're gonna make no rich man walk all over me.
I
Went down to the congressman's house and I took back what he stole from me. Took it back. Took back my dignity. Took it back. Took back my humanity. Well, I went down to the executive's house and I took back what he stole from me. Took it back. Took back my dignity. Took it back. Took back my humanity.
now we're gonna go
march. We're gonna go unite. We're gonna go vote. We're gonna go fight. Gonna make no rich man walk all over me.
welcome. We gotta speak loud. Welcome, healthcare workers from across Pennsylvania and our community allies who are here to take our country back. Let's hear it for the nursing home workers. Let's hear some noise. How about some noise from the home care workers? How about those hospital and clinic workers? Good morning.
My name is Patty Ludwikowski. I started off as a certified nursing assistant 34 years ago. And now I'm the proud vice president and director for nursing homes for our this proud union. The more than 500 member leaders of our union are here today to represent 30,000 healthcare workers throughout the Commonwealth. United for quality healthcare and good jobs for all Pennsylvanians. As a union healthcare worker, we've made some major advances, but we are still facing a crisis in our healthcare system. And it's about to even get worse with the impeding Medicaid cuts. Healthcare workers are being asked to take care of more and more people with less resources and less time to spend with our patients. Do you all feel that? We are suffering from extreme understaffing, turnover, and burnout at a moment when our state's population is older and sicker and urgently needing more care. Are you feeling that? Executives are prioritizing profits over the needs of our patients. Healthcare workers in our communities are struggling to put food on the table, keep a roof over their heads, and give their children a better future. Let me ask you all something. Why is the richest country in the history of the world struggling to provide the basic healthcare to our people? I'll tell you why. Because the big corporations and billionaires have seized control of our government and are using their dirty money to rig our political system. Billionaires like Jeffrey Yass, the leader of a stock and private equity corporation and is Pennsylvania's richest man, worth more than $59 billion. He's also our biggest political donor, the biggest corrupter of our state's political system, and one of the biggest in this country. He spent tens of millions of dollars to buy politicians. Politicians like Congressman from this district, Scott Perry. And to fund a vast network of anti-worker organizations like the Commonwealth Foundation, right there, right across the street. Spending money on electing politicians and funding these organizations gets billionaires a great return on their investment. You surprised by that? They bought seats for their cronies like Perry to pass the biggest healthcare cut in America, to fund the biggest tax giveaway to billionaires in American history. Shame. The Commonwealth Foundation, right here in the heart of our Pennsylvania democracy and government, writes and pushes policies in the state legislature that steal from working people and give even more to the rich. They fight to slash funding for healthcare, education, clean air and water, and essential public services in order to lower taxes for giant corporations and the ultra rich. These politicians and organizations are puppets for the billionaires who spend a lot of energy attacking the right of union members, because unions do something that billionaires like Jeffrey Yass absolutely hates. We unite people. We unite people regardless of your race, your gender, your love, or where you were born. We unite people and we fight for what's right and just. But billionaires want to keep dividing and distracting. They want us to keep fighting amongst ourselves around the things we don't have in common. So they can keep hoarding the wealth and the power in this country. And let me just add, we are for peace, no violence. We are here today to say we will not stand for billionaires controlling our political system. our communities, our lives, and our futures. No more. It doesn't matter if you're a Republican, Democrat, Independent, we're all part of the working class. And we need to start talking about our vision that unites all working people. A vision where billionaires and big corporations pay their fair share for all. All of us we can afford to have the American dream. Where hard work is rewarded for pay, and we all get to have a dignified life. We all deserve to have affordable health care, child care, housing, and a top-notch education and retirement, and good union jobs. In order to achieve this big vision, we have to take on big fights, starting with kicking politicians out like Scott Perry, billionaires like Jeffrey Yap. We gotta get them out of our political system and vote them out. Are you with me? Great. Right now, I want to introduce 3 incredible members of our union, starting with Julia Tilley, a home care worker here in Harrisburg. Are you ready to take back our country? Yeah! My name is Julia Tilley, and I was born and raised right here in Harrisburg. My hometown. I'm a home care worker for my daughter who has physical disabilities and autism. Home care workers have the essential job of empowering seniors and people with disabilities to live with dignity, well-being, and freedom in their own homes. Like many home care workers, I had to quit my full-time job to care for my daughter. I was proud to make that decision, but it has been very financially difficult for my family. For my home care work, I only make $14 an hour. I have no health care, no paid time off, or any other benefits. I can work at Target or Walmart for more money and get benefits. But I chose the right thing to do. And I shouldn't be penalized for that, neither should you. While we're already struggling to survive, my Congressman Scott Perry, he voted to cut Medicaid. Which, among other things, funds the home care program for my daughter and over 100,000 seniors and other people with disabilities throughout Pennsylvania. Shame! 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 He and 7 other Republican congressmen in our state voted to give billionaires like Jeffrey Yap over there handouts while we, the working class, were sold out. They're like Robin Hood in reverse. They steal from the poor and the working class to give to the rich. And they're stealing more than just money. They are robbing seniors and people with disabilities of their dignity and their freedom. Medicaid cuts are coming at the absolute worst time when our population is aging and the demands for home care services is growing rapidly. Everybody wants to age in their homes because that is where they can remain connected to their families and their communities and lead the healthiest, most fulfilling lives. But because of poverty wages and a lack of benefits, there is a severe shortage of home care workers. There's 1 worker for every 6 people that needs one in our Commonwealth. Shame is right. We've tried to voice our concerns, but, Congressman Perry ignores his constituents, won't even come to a town hall meeting to talk about this matter. And by doing this, he just shows utter disdain for us. I guess he's just too busy cashing checks from his billionaire donors to meet with us. In face of the federal Medicaid
Medicaid cuts, my fellow home care workers and I have been advocating for crucial funding at the state level. We are calling on our legislators to include funding in our state budget for participant direct home care workers that would lift our wages above $15 an hour and give us paid time off. Listen up. Paid time off for the first time in history. Right, that's what I'm talking about. And that investment would help support, attract, and retain home care workers to provide quality services. But you know what? Republican state senators backed by billionaires and the Commonwealth Foundation right over there across the street are instead proposing a flat budget with no increase in vital funding. And because we have not had a budget here in Pennsylvania for over 2.5 months, we're already suffering from damaging cuts to services throughout our state. People are losing services. They're getting sick, maybe even dying. And they don't care. And that's how, yes, and anti-worker think tanks like the Commonwealth Foundation, that's how they hurt us working people. By pushing cuts and stopping progress in order to give even more money to big corporations and billionaires who, quite frankly, don't need it and don't pay their fair share anyway. Well, I and everybody else here, we have a message for Scott Perry and state legislators who bow down to the billionaires. You work for us! We pay your salary, and you need to hear us now. And the only way that they're going to hear us is by all of us united, speaking up together. Together, we will pass a state budget with urgent funding, kick the likes of Scott Perry out, and take our health care back.
I say vote. Yep. Vote Perry out.
Vote Perry out! 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 Vote Perry out!
Thank you, Julia, for those amazing words. We really appreciate you speaking out the truth. Thank you. Right now, I'd like to introduce Taishia Fraser, an amazing nursing home member. There's Taishia. Oh, come on.
Hey everybody. Hey. It feels so good being out here. Energy from everyone, from healthcare workers and community members. Let's just give a shout out to them. My name is Taishia Fraser, and I've been a certified nursing assistant for over 2 decades. Thank you. I work in a nursing home right outside of Philadelphia. These Medicaid tests are very personal to me. Lately, I have had to look into the scared eyes of my fellow residents who are asking me what's going to happen to us when the cuts take effect. Or they'll be like, I don't have any family to take care of me. Am I going to be thrown out on the streets? The uncertainty of not knowing where they are going to lie their heads next year is causing them extreme anxiety and fear, which is impacting their health.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right.
The same questions are being asked by 83,000 residents at over 600 nursing homes across our state. These are our mothers. These are our fathers, our grandmothers, grandfathers. Who have raised us in important wars. built this country, and now our country is treating them like this. More than 73% of nursing home funding comes from Medicaid.
Yes.
Scott Perry and 7 other Republican congressmen in our state voted to cut Medicaid.
Sure.
And for what? To give even more money to billionaires like Jeffrey Yash, who don't even need it?
I know.
And many of our nursing homes are hanging on by the thread as is. We can't attract or keep staff or even afford adequate supplies. The Medicaid cuts will cause countless nursing homes to cut services and close, ultimately putting our residents at risk. This is a matter of life and death. Congressman Perry, shame on you for endangering my senior residents just to stuck up to your greedy political funders like billionaire Jeffrey Yash. I also have another deeply personal connection to Medicaid. When I was 18, I had my first child, a beautiful girl named Nigeria. She started having trouble breathing and developed many medical issues. Nigeria ended up spending 4 years in the hospital off and on before she passed away. All of that care was paid by Medicaid. Without Medicaid, she would not have lived for those 4 years. And I would not have been able to spend that precious time with her.
Yeah.
Love you.
Thank you. Love you, girl. Love you. Politicians like Kerry and anti-worker organizations like the Commonwealth Foundation don't want us to have compassion towards our fellow man. They want working people to be divided and filled with hate towards each other. Many days I don't even watch the news or think about politics because, but in those moments, I have to remind myself that we have the opportunity to take back our country next year in the midterms. I have to remind myself that unions across our country are mobilizing to inform and activate our community. Yes. Working people are all in the same boat. We all want to be able to care for our kids and live a decent life. By focusing on what unites working people rather than hateful rhetoric coming from politicians, we can build an unstoppable movement. So let's move forward with unity, love, and empathy, and kick those politicians out of office and take our future back.
Thank you, Taishia. Now I'd like to ask Brian Maurice, a hospital worker, leader of our union, to please come to the podium.
Good morning. Hello, my SEIU Healthcare Pennsylvania family. Community allies. As was stated, my name is Brian Maurice. I've been a registered nurse for about 13 years, and I currently work at Chambersburg Hospital. This past summer in Chambersburg, over 1,400 of my coworkers and myself just won a strong contract that will help support, recruit, retain, and provide better staff. I apologize. Woo! Recruit and retain staff so that we can provide the highest level of care.
Yes.
But frontline workers at our facility and all across the Commonwealth, especially in rural areas, are worried sick, no pun intended, about the impact of healthcare cuts on our patients, our hospitals, and our communities. For many rural hospitals in our state, more than 25% of their funding comes from Medicaid patients. Those hospitals are barely getting by and struggling to remain open as it is. When these cuts hit, our hospitals will be flooded with uninsured patients and will have to provide more uncompensated care. Those patients will likely be suffering from more untreated conditions than before, making them more expensive to care for due to their severely limited access to primary care providers. This is the sad state of our Commonwealth and our country. This is what we stand in opposition to. This is what we are fighting to defeat. But will it work? These Medicaid cuts will cause more hospitals to close their doors, devastating the health and economic security of our communities. Pennsylvanians will have to drive long distances to deliver their babies, receive emergency care, get cancer treatments, have critical operations, or even just visit loved ones in the hospital. Shame. Thousands of hospital workers will lose their jobs that generations have depended on, throwing entire families into poverty. And because our hospitals will have to deliver $700 million more in uncompensated care, they're going to be forced to raise their prices for services for private insurance. It's all connected. That means that the cost of all Pennsylvanians with private insurance are going to go up, as all private insurance costs are going to go up as well. Not one of us will be spared from this fallout. Whoa! These cuts are not about saving money. They're about vacuuming money out of our pockets to line the pockets of billionaires and the rest of the 1%. Just think about that for a second. The message is clear. These billionaires are saying, your health, your suffering, your deaths don't matter. And unfortunately, our politicians are agreeing with them. Like everyone here today, I am a true believer. I went into healthcare to save the world one patient at a time.
Amen.
In fact, I used to dream of going to the seminary and becoming a minister, but I realized that my motivations for my faith and for my health, for the healthcare that I provide, are the same. Both are about recognizing our common humanity and being there for people when they are most vulnerable. So with that said, I hope that you all forgive me because I'm going to take us to church right now. Can I get an amen? Amen. Proverbs 3:27 says,
Preach it.
do not withhold good from those to whom it is due when it is in your power to do it. Unfortunately, Scott Perry, billionaires like Jeff Yass, and anti-worker think tanks like our friends in the Commonwealth Foundation don't share our values. They have a fundamentally different worldview. Their core belief is that a tiny group of people at the top should be able to hoard more and more wealth and power, while the 99% of us get left behind to suffer. We condemn these corrupt moral values. Instead, we strive for values that will bring us all up and bring us together. Woo! But Brian, it seems pretty bleak. Well, our actions work. Well, our country was founded on the principle that we should have a government for the people, by the people, not for the billionaire class, by their puppets. Our job is to remind them who they actually work for. Despite the crisis our country is facing, looking out at this crowd today, I am inspired and filled with hope. They have money, power, they can flood the airwaves with their propaganda, but we know that darkness cannot quench the light of a single candle. Around me, there is a lot more than a single candle. So will it work? Will this light spread? Yes. But we have to be committed. One speech, one tweet, one march, one conversation with our elected officials, or one vote is not going to cut it. We as healthcare workers know a single chest compression during CPR will not resuscitate a patient. So we keep pushing. Individually we beg, but united we fight. And when we fight, they might have the money, but we have people. And I will take my people 6 days a week and twice on Sundays over the money.
That's right.
So in closing, I'm going to speak directly to our elected leaders. Isaiah 10 says, woe unto those who make unjust laws, to those who issue oppressive decrees.
That's right.
When we have such a glaring problem, will our government get involved? Will you leaders take action to fully address the problem? You will if we have anything to say about it. Thank you very much. God bless America. God bless the Commonwealth. And God bless the workers.
Thank you, Brian, for that powerful message. Right now, I just want to shout out and recognize State Senator James Malone. Is he here? State Representative Dave Matson. State Representative Justin Fleming. These are healthcare champions who stand and get our back and care about the people that need healthcare. So in closing, I want to say that we all need to go back to our workplaces and our communities across the state and talk to our coworkers, our family, our friends, and our neighbors about getting involved this upcoming election. Together, we will take back our health system and our country. When workers are under attack, we the workers take it back. When our healthcare is under attack, we the workers take it back. Hey, hey, ho, ho.
Billionaires have got to go, hey, hey, ho, ho. Billionaires have got to go, hey, hey, ho, ho. Billionaires have got to go, hey, hey, ho, ho. Billionaires have got to go.
Do you think they hurt you inside the Capitol? Do you think they hurt us at the Commonwealth Foundation? Friends, I know it's hot. Are you hot? Are you fired up? Are you ready to go eat some lunch? All right, friends, we are going to march down the stairs. We're going to cross the street. On the way back, we are not going to take the street. We're going to walk back on the sidewalks, but we have to cross the street to do so. As we do that, I would like to invite you to join me in a final song to leave them with as we walk away from our Capitol and the Commonwealth Foundation. We want to remind them, well, I went down to the billionaire's house and I took back what he stole from me. Took it back. My dignity. Took it back. Took back my identity. Well, I went down to the boss's house and I took back what he stole from me. Took it back. Took it back. Now we're gonna go march, gonna go unite, we're gonna go vote, gonna go fight, and gonna let no rich man walk all over. Well, I went down to the Ferguson town, Our